Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpinutrek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Bane Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Kadwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907. Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, Kadai ke College Babhatam Nagabanta ka Jingpuli Nursing but Paramedical Course, Hospital Training, Pinyo Scholarship but 6% ka kam, Haki Hospital Bahedo India but Shabari. Nabanta ka Jingpuli ka Jingseo ka Paret but Hila Banleg Yu ban Puli da ka Education Loan, Hila Ruban Shukol How number Kandai Nyo Sao Sao, San Riun Rio Pranot, Lani, Kandai Pran Rio Laisan, Arn Riwe, Kandai Pra.
DGP ke Gnla LR Bishnoi Ulaong baula patha ke SP Jong district baper bagin wa Jingtip Halor ke Khubor kapala sapriang baga Gnla kalakhi embiang hadu menta Ulaong bag shio Jingtip hende kimpat lapat ban pensisha yagani kumta la ban pentikna tan hadu bandala ban pensisha.
Now already I have clarified that was input only, and inputs remain input until it is verified. So we have written to the district for verification. Once the verification report received at our end, then only I will be in position to comment on this. So that is why inputs have come, inputs have been received from sources, and we always do verification of such inputs. The routine, so many inputs keep coming, and once as and when any input received, we generally verify it through the field officer, and the same thing is done in that input also. So after verifications only, once the reports are received from all the district, we will be in position ki what is the authenticity of this input. So all the district SPs, they are verifying this input in their respective areas, and once verification is complete, they will submit a report to us. So timeline, though we have not fixed any timeline. It may take time because some interior areas are there. They have to check and cross-check from each and every remote areas. I think within a week probably they will submit a report.